Okay, guys and girls, it's Albie here from 100 Cups Colombia again, and I'm going to tell you a little story just now about a little trip to a wood shop in Amaga. Now, I think you're going to like it, and then I'll tell you a little story again at the end. This is where I got my rocking chair made. ¿Cómo? Repítelo. Ah, no corres. Ah, fucking marica.
Made in Colombia.
¿Cómo era?
Made
In Colombia. Eso es. So you look at this wood. That's some old tree. That get you some scale on it. There's my hand to see that piece of wood. And down here, oh, this is. I always come into this shop. It's just like my rocking chair, because this is where my rocking chair was made. And these boys, look at that bed. It's an absolute classic. Lovely, great big tables. And look at the thickness of the wood there, kids. It's lovely stuff. So one day, look at the size of that table. Beautiful. So one day the big plan is. Ah, listo. Vamos a echar ojo. Mira this wild bed. So he's just said in his chest of drawers there's an exhibition upstairs. Absolutely marvellous. And this is all locally cured, grown stuff. It's absolutely marvellous. So, let's go upstairs and have a look. Up the stairs, and the staircase in itself is quite the occasion, I have to say. Ooh. Another fancy bed end. Look at the classic thatched roof. And all the humongous tables a boy could ever want. Sounds of the shop in the background. Yes, one day I shall furnish an apartment. No, I shall furnish a little house in the country from here. I'll have a rocking chair on the terrace. I'll have a couple of violent dogs. And then I'll sit on my terrace with my violent dogs looking out at the view, a little bit like this. And then when the kids come and steal my mandarins, I'll shoot at them. Buckshot in the shotgun. Look at that dog. He's quite cool, isn't he? Kipping on the trailer. Yes. So that's my favourite woodwork shop in Amaga. Now, let's head on down to the finca. So, I've just got to do the Albert foolishly comes down the staircase, filming himself instead of looking at where he's going. It's just because that's just what a boy's got to do. Furniture. Your furniture is where it's at.
Todo esto surge desde aquí. Aquí nace todo esto, desde el palo, desde el árbol donde lo cortan hasta que salen estas bellezas.
He's going to show us the magic. Show us the magic, Sandy. Whoa. Now, there's the boys. Oh yeah. The boys ain't kidding here. This is a proper woodwork shop. You don't see these things anymore. We used to have them back in the good old days. Santi, muchas gracias. Cool. Very cool. Watch them boys working. We got wood. Oh, and oh my God, we've even got a juggler. tengo. Man. And as usual, got to get the Catholics in them. Yeah. Everybody loves them Catholics. Oh, a few wee bars and your classic willies. Shows your willies. There he is. That's your willies. I wonder if I should slap it, or would that be a bit too up to date? Oh, he's got his wee coffee machine in the back. Ooh, que tinto. So this is a Willie's with a little coffee shop in the back, and that's the girl who runs it. And she's kind of like, "What's this guy doing, pointing that camera at me?" I'm not looking at his camera. The tímida. Tímida.
¿Qué quiere?
No tiene nada de tímida,
Es
¿cierto?
decir, la entrevista.
Sí, buena idea. Cuénteme más sobre su camioneta de café.
Le cuento más, ¿qué quiere que le cuente?
Lo que sea. ¿De dónde sale el café?
¿De dónde sale?
¡Ey! ¿Pero es de Amaga o no?
Sí, es de Santa Bárbara.
Ah, bueno. Algo. Porque ahorita me voy a la finca El Vergel.
Está bonita el coso.
Para allá. Voy a seguir ¿cómo se dice? El GPS y me va a decir exactamente dónde está. Tan, tan, tan. Estamos siguiéndote. Bueno, gracias chicos. Hasta luego. As usual, folks, somewhat weirded out. Who's this bloody gringo coming up and filming us? Well, we're doing our thing. Right, anyway. Back to the bike. Oh, a bit of shade. Get myself something to eat and then head out to the Vergel. Well, stopped in sunny downtown Amaga. And there's a guy with that jackhammer. I told the guy to tell the guy to stick his jackhammer where the sun has no access. But appears, well, jackhammer guys, it seems they're a little bit hard of hearing. Who'd have thought? But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to have empanada de carne and papa rellena. So that's like a meat pasty and a meat filled or meat stuffed potato. Scottish people will like this. It's all fried. So here's your empanada de carne. It's quite frankly, it's not very hot, but will live. But the papa rellena is okay. And there's this, of course. Well, the lid. I get the only spicy. There's the spicy sauce. So we're going to take that empanada, stuff it in that spicy sauce. And there you have it, a meat empanada. Bloody lovely it is. Bit of meat, bit of rice, bit crunchy, bit crispy. And I'm going to do the same, except I'll be a bit more civilised and use the spoon here on the old papa rellena. Cheers! So, the papa rellena is like the ultimate Scottish thing. It's like mince and tatties, but battered. I could make £1 million going back to Scotland selling them these. Anyway, I'm going to eat them now, and then we're off to the finca. Okay, that was the wonderful world of wood in Amaga. Then it was the wonderful world of, what do you call them? Papa rellena and empanadas. So that was that. Now this next video is going to be about Café El Vergel in Amaga. It's taken me a long time to get to record this video But it's going to be the next one up, and you're going to like it. So remember to subscribe and comment and all that other jazz. I thank you very much.